Next we move on to this, ulcers. You should know whether it is a non-pressure ulcer and a pressure ulcer. Because a pressure ulcer is a decubitus ulcer, bed sores we commonly say, right? So this bed sores, you will have to classify according to the stage of the ulcer, which stage it is in. Because sometimes it may not be effectively documented. Sometimes nurses would only give you a pathological changes that have takes place, or how far, what is the extent of this ulcer. Is it to the subcutaneous tissue or to the muscle or to the bone? So accordingly, you might have to select with the clinical information that is available in the medical record. So don't report a code as undetermined unless a doctor states that. Okay. And if the ulcer is progressed from one level to another, you can code the higher level or the higher stage of which the ulcer has occurred. Same way, we also have these codes for this coma scale and strokes and all that, stroke also. So what you can do is those can also be reported, and here you should understand the treating provider may not document all of these. Say for instance, the BMI would be given by a dietitian. Okay, so you can get the information from the dietitian's chart, and the pressure ulcer stage would have been given by a nurse. You can report that condition or the stage accordingly, which is being narrated by the nurse.